Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add a bank account to eTrade. First thing I want you to do is just log into your account, come at the top right, click on a transfer, and then right here you can choose where you want to transfer from, where you want to transfer to, and if you don't have an account yet, you can link an external account. So you can come here, tap on this drop down, click here on add an account, okay, and then you click here securely add an account, okay. Select your bank, or you can search for one right here. So let's say Capital One. You choose that. You enter your login information for Capital One. They'll give you a timer to enter that. And you also choose a two-step verification method to verify identity. You can choose, let's say, text me a temporary code or any of these, and then hit connect securely. And there you go. Account has been added successfully. You'll see the details right here as well. You can begin transferring the money. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.